Hey YouTubers, it's Ucwepn back again with another video about things. And soon, I promise I will get to do some reviews, and I'm rebuilding the layout. I'm trying to come up with some ideas. We're going to have a look at this BigW toy sale that was about a month ago. Around a month ago. I think it finished about 2 weeks ago. And I picked up a couple of things, and I had a good look around there. Also, sadly, Toys R Us, they closed this week. It was there last week, and I don't know how you feel about that. That was pretty upsetting to a lot of people, and kind of got some things there too. We'll talk about that a bit later, but we're looking through the BigW toy sale catalogue from a couple of weeks ago, like I said, and there's lots of stuff in there. It was a really, really thick catalogue, or pamphlet, or leaflet, depending on which part of the world you're from. But yes, indeed, a lot of stuff was on sale. Quite good prices too. There's one of the Voltrons. I bought one of those Voltrons, the 1984 version. It's a remake of the original one. Looks pretty good. I've got to pick that up. It's on layaway or lay-by, whichever you would like to call it. And I will have that soon. But yeah, you're probably not that interested in that. You get to the page with Thomas's and other sort of things. That's what this video is basically all about. We're having a look at what they've got in the Thomas range. So some various things. And we'll get there soon, I promise. More stuff, more stuff. Many pages in this catalogue. And here we go, we're looking through the Thomas stuff now. A lot of Trackmaster. I've already got that set, so I don't know, there's no point having two of the same set, I don't think, unless you can like make something good out of the track. Yeah, we got some minis. And we got some more Trackmaster. And we got some other stuff too, some turtles, and some Pokemon. Do people still play Pokemon? And some various board games. Lots of Trackmaster. I was really looking at one of those Hurricanes. There's the Voltron I bought. $119, which was a really good deal. That's Australian dollars, not US dollars. Our dollar is worth less than US dollars. There's a Ben 10. A lot of people like Ben 10. And some Nerf. I got a couple of Nerf guns lately. I got a Han Solo blaster from the new movie, and I got a Cassian Andor one from Rogue One, and I got like a target thing that they did. It looks pretty good. It's like electronic shooting target. So yeah, I like the Nerf as well. Definitely like Nerf. And we got lots of stuff. This is a store called BigW. It's like, I suppose it's sort of like Walmart, but less of everything and not as good. But yes, there's all sorts of stuff. Got a big Nerf gun there. Got a sort of electronic sections. Toy Mania! Ha 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 ha. So in this sort of sale, what they do is they get all the toys and they just lay them all around the store. The whole store becomes one big toy section, it's quite interesting. It's also quite overwhelming. It's like, oh my god, I'm going to spend too much money here. So this is a dedicated Thomas section. And they got a mini set, and they got a few Trackmaster sets there. And we got some Trackmaster, like 3-packs. I don't know if you can count the tender as part of a 3-pack anyway. There's Lexi. Definitely like Lexi. It's an interesting looking engine. So I'll grab one of those. I got also the other day, I got Yong Bao, the hero. And I'm looking for Nia or Nia, I don't know how you say it. But the other one, the Thomas with the car, they can keep that one. Don't really want it. Don't really need it. So yeah, lots of stuff, lots of Thomas regular range there in the blister card packs. Another set. Can't remember what that one was called. Someone will tell me in the comments. Lots more stuff. Sort of generic toys as well. They have a lot of like unbranded, their own brand, like sort of stuff. Like that big helicopter we saw before. Lots of Lego, Duplo. Always a good seller. Very, very popular brand, of course. Even I like the old bit of Lego now and then. Which reminds me, I've got some things to build. Always got more things to build. So yes, more board games and more Lego down on the end of the aisle. And lots of people browsing. So yeah, a lot of stuff here. Some more weird Nerf stuff. They seem to bring out a lot of stuff all the time. If there's a new movie or a new sort of fad coming out, they seem to ride that like a wave. Anyway, we got some random stuff in there, and this is more random stuff. That is Incredibles. The Incredibles 2 just came out not long ago. And yes, Mr. Potato Head. And then Big Lightning McQueens, I saw them. They look quite actually good, but I don't think they're a bit much for a plastic roll-along toy. It was like $39. Not much to it, if I'm honest. It did look good though. So we have sort of assorted things. There's some Transformers and Voltron. I like Transformers, if you didn't know. I'm quite into the Transformers. And I definitely am into Voltron, or I was when I was a kid. And these are like heavily nostalgic for me, so I definitely had to grab that 84 Voltron. I never had the big one when I was a kid. I had the little one, the motorized one, with the wheels on each line, and you pull it back and it will go. So that was cool. I like that. So lots of Star Wars stuff from the Solo movie, and lots of those vintage ones. Vintage in apostrophes. But yeah, I collect the real vintage Star Wars stuff too. So like I'm talking from the like 77 to 86, around then, I think it is. So I've got quite a bit of that. I've got some girl stuff there, the dollies. And yes. So they definitely have a good selection of toys. I won't doubt that. There's the Nerf section, the dedicated Nerf section. There's the Han Solo blaster that I bought. It is really cool. I quite like that. I wouldn't mind to paint it up, but I was scared that it looked too realistic, like a firearm, which we are definitely not allowed to have in Australia. So yeah, this video is winding up now. I want to say a hi to Leo Kim. Hi, I know you made a video like this. It wasn't my intention to copy you, mate. But yeah, it just happened. I filmed this before your video came out. But anyway, cool. How's it going, buddy? Anyway, so yeah, there's Big W's toy sale. Got some bargains. There was some things that probably could have been more reduced in price, but anyway. And it was also the last week of Toys R Us in Australia, which was quite sad. And I picked up a couple of Thomas signs. I got like the signs that go above the shelf, where they sell things in the store. It's the wooden like Thomas Wood. Not Wood, the wooden railway. The proper wooden railway. I know you know what I mean. And I also got a take and play. Take and play sign as well. And I got a big Nerf sign, which was cool. And I got a lot of little shelf talkers. If you know what they are, they're the little strips that go on the front of the shelves. But yes, I'll show them hopefully in another video. Or maybe I might make a background with them that I can use to film. That'll be really cool. So yeah, I'm going to let you go, guys. And say thanks for watching. Check out my other videos. Also, click like and subscribe. And if you could hop on my Patreon, that would help us out a great deal. So thanks for watching.